Alright. First official video on YouTube. Avoid the background noise. Yeah. Oh well. I'm not sure if it just stopped recording. Just told me the battery's low. So this is a 1985-ish Lakewood P223. Or actually, it's not P223. It's just 223. And the weird thing is this has the white banana blades on it instead of the cream color, which this cabinet would have been. This was all me. It just had electrical tape and solder. This is actually heat shrink and electrical taped. So it has a long cord. Yeah, it does have a full-size McMillan motor. And I don't think this has a damn draw on the bottom. Oh, actually it does. See? There's no P. There's just 223. I'm missing a screw. That's nice. Here, 2.1 amps, and does the motor say 2.1? Hopefully I have to turn around the right way. Oh, come on, focus camera. Yeah, 2.1. So, it does say 2.1. I do think I have the kilowatt here, so we can actually measure how much it uses. Excuse my messy room. I need to clean this up. But I'm going to get the kilowatt meter out. Actually, I don't have that on me right now, so we're not going to do that. Whoops. It is a standard polarized plug. Or it's actually non-polarized. That's one of these. And also, the back guard's like brittle-ish, and the front guard's not. So it's like, See how yellow the back is compared to the front. This is the plug. It's not that, it's a little bit bent, but there's gonna be more fan. Sorry for the pause. I hit the pause button because I got to plug this in. Okay, it's now plugged in, or plugged in, sharp and low. It's a very nice Lakewood low. Maybe I just sit out of it. It's very rattly. Here's medium. And high. It has no feet on it, so it will top over. What I hate is this. That happens to motors, and then there's no air. But we'll watch the spin down. It can be a full spin down, but it's going to be somewhat of a spin down. Alright, and that is it for right now.